I start volunteering. Red Valley.
I heard you ndifuna ke tani ndimane ndifuna ukusondeza kule mic yakho because ifeni ndo ndinqinibizo sibaba.
Okay.
You mentioned something ukuthi you know a lot about me, even the time Dan Seven's and Togozo.
Yeah.
The time Seven's and Togozo, there were times that we would go siyokwenza ma services eludiri.
Yeah, that's how I saw you most of the time.
Is it?
Yeah, that's how I saw you. Because you're loud, you're bubbly, you're fun, you're moving around, you're energetic, you understand? And good thing that's
Kamthandazo, yeah.
But who was also a singer, right? You used to sing.
To sing.
Yeah. So that's how, you get to interact nabantu. Mnake andimlibala umuntu. Nobani ngalibala igama.
Yes.
I'll always have that picture of
and
you.
then when I texted you knew who I was.
I was like,
oh, interesting.
Okay. Miss Podcast.
Yeah.
So now I volunteer Red Valley.
Yeah.
Red
Valley.
Yeah, it was Red Valley Secondary School.
Which year was that?
2016.
Okay, so I wonder, Nchangaso, yamazi tisha Nchangaso. Oh, okay.
I know those guys. Nchangaso,
no Stole, umem Stole.
Yes, Mom Stole.
Yes.
I know them. I know them. So there was this maths teacher who got to Mem Rankwateke. Miss Rankwateke, but ndikaphe umuntu mnesigele but he was going to deliver this life science thing. I don't know to who. Understand. So apparently lo muntu seclassini ka Membrane Khoteke yabo. So xa ndifikayo pha ndifika ebhodini kwenziwa there's this topic maths to zi sequences like arithmetic geometric sequences like but xa ke neneyanto yabo I'm like man guys jonga kanje nakanje
1 2 3 4 ayigqibela lento
lawe then that relax
X.
then she sees that she's like 50 rand. I'm like okay so I have 50 rand the broke John come back in the morning tomorrow. I'm like okay for what for? No, you're going to help out. Sharp. We did that with the kids. It was August, September, October. Yeah, October I found a job.
Okay.
I understand.
Kona Payan.
No, not
there.
Okay. But there's this sales company. Okay. I understand. So it was around the Clearwater somewhere. Yeah. So that's why the plan is I'm going to Clearwater. Yeah, so I used to travel there. I understand, find work there, and well, I never lasted because I think November we left the job.
Yeah.
December I came back. 2017. Same controversial story. So Lendo's in Red Valley is just another experience. And then 2017, and that's been kapabani food. A consumer room. Difika kuko Memo Decento. Memo Decento, she's having this class nayo ngoku consumer abaziya clash. I understand. And aba bantwana kumele bayise grounding and so forth. And I'm like, hey,
I'm here.
Bring the kids. When I just take me through what happens there, then we will get through it. Yeah, bo. I went there first day. Second day. Oh, she calls me.
Yeah.
I say, "Hi, boy, is a funding hello." Because these kids love you. She said so. Yeah, bo. Apparently, she was using that to just bring me closer.
Yeah.
And then I went there. I did that for like 3 years.
Wow.
2017, 18, and 19.
Until it was a Sunday like COVID.
Yeah. Well, 2019 in fact.
Yeah.
Because 2019 that's where I like dropped the ball because throughout the time as I was busy with this thing Eskera, I would get time with the politics of Uklala.
Okay.
And the politics of Uklala like consumed me.
Okay.
And that's where now the I started developing some other ideas. I think my consciousness based on the politics was based on the mind. The damage that it was doing in our community. So there was a lot of questions in me. Who's it? Benefit there has to be some kind of insurance in a way that comes with that. And throughout my tenure in Eludirile, engaging with the professional environment of which the thing that I'm proud of is that I did it without a qualification.
Oh wow!
I was never qualified. It was
you
just.
know what? In the politics, I need to call you for a part 2.
Yeah. Please.
Because I know sizontsokotha kuyo izoba nenzonzobili. Now I wanted to ask you those questions because ndijongene xesha ne.
Yes.
Okay. So into bekhaya ndikubuze yona.
Yeah.
Uzalelwe phi?
Ndizalelwe eRatong Hospital.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then njengoba ndisho ndithi the significant reasons that makes you post and share positive things on your wall.
I believe in using education as a tool to impact the future, the present, and I believe we all have in us the will to live through these dying times.
Yes.
And I've always been influenced by figures like Stephen Bantu Biko, your Robert Sobukwe, I understand your Che Guevara, I understand your Achenechin.
You read those things.
I do.
But you are young.
I do. Well, that's the amazing part about it.
Yes.
Ilando ndifanisa lo mbuzo kandifanisa nobana kuthenda ndisiya esikolweni warisa was living in the street.
Man.
Kuthenda into
You know what makes me so, I don't know, like inhliziyo yami iwele somewhere right now because zonke izinto ndibalisela ngazo izinto beningazazi ngawo, ndikwazi nje uba ngulo muntu positive minded, someone who's always helpful to the community and all that.
That's all.
And what keeps, okay, so ndithe what keeps you on supporting our community positively and consistently, so because you do that like without a blink of an eye. I want to know why that. And then undibalisele eso story sakho sokuchelwa.
Yeah.
Yes.
I will.
Yeah.
My consistency is based on we as African people.
Yeah.
We are considered as lazy.
True. I always say that. They come for me all the time.
Yeah.
They came for me like
I
think in a almost 200 views in TikTok where I said that.
Yeah.
And abantu bayikhe phakathi, not that I was being insultive, but it was a sense of sina lento yokuthi we are South Africans and we deserve this.
Wow.
Demand.
Yes.
We feel entitled and all that, and we always wanna give ama reasons ngendaba ze-apartheid and all that. When are we moving on from excuses? Like it makes me angry to find a woman una 30 years because ndisebenzile ntokozini for the longest time and besenza ama home visits. Ufumanisa kuba usilindile uhlala nobulumko bobabini abasebenzi ababenza abantwana ngumhlobo athi usilindile una 30 athi ngxaki mina nabazali. What are you saying?